Is your Galaxy Watch 7's battery is draining too fast? Let's go ahead and see some smart tips to improve the overall battery life and make it last longer. First, let's talk about Samsung Health, since a lot of us have bought it for fitness or tracking purpose. Swipe up the watch face and enter Samsung Health. Scroll down till the end and then enter Settings. If your watch is on a continuous heart rate or stress measure, just enter them one after another and just keep it to manual only, so that the always active sensors cannot drain your watch battery. Now scroll down just a bit in here and to Activities to Monitor. As you can see, your watch sensor is always looking for body movements to track as different types of workout. You can either just keep one specific workout turned on, turn it off completely, or you can enable it manually just before workout. So next, let's go ahead and check some display and brightness settings. From Settings, go to Display. Now, first of all, if adaptive brightness is on, you can turn it off, and whenever you want manually, you can change the brightness. And if AOD or always on display is on, this might also cause constant battery consumption. So if you want, you can keep it turned off, and instead you can keep these two options, raise to wake and touchscreen to wake options, turned on. Now lastly, in this section, let's explore the screen timeout. It's recommended that just keep this option to the minimum level. And after that, we're going to explore some battery settings. From Settings, scroll down and enter Battery. I'm going to talk about power saving later in this video. First, keep scrolling down and enter battery usage. Now from here, we can check out which apps, which functions are responsible for most of your battery consumption. As you can see, a lot of these options are taken care of already. All right, so let's get back to the battery settings. And from here, first, let's say your watch is going down on battery. In that case, you can turn on power saving mode. But as you can see, when your watch is on power saving, these options will be turned off. We've already talked about some of these options. And apart from that, you can also scroll down and enter limit health features. And if you want, especially when you're not working out, you can keep it turned on. Now lastly, in this section, you got the watch only option. This is on extreme level. This option is very handy for extreme level, like when your device has less than 10% charge, you can turn it on. Only when you press and hold on your power button, you can see the time. To get out of the watch only mode, simply press and hold on the power button and restart your Watch 7. Now, apart from all these specific settings, every now and then, you can just go ahead, simply close all the apps that's running in the background and consuming battery. And it's recommended that before you go to sleep, or when you do not need any activities on your watch anymore, you can disable Wi-Fi and also location. You can also disable Bluetooth if you want, but don't forget to turn on Bluetooth in the morning, because this will disconnect your watch from your paired Android. Hope this video will help you improve the overall battery life on your Watch 7. Thanks for watching.